Okay, we got this 3,500 pound hydraulic welding positioner with a variable speed thing on here. I can start going like this. It's going slow, real slow. It can go really, really slow. That's top speed there. You'll never be welding that fast, but you can rapid it that way. And you'd probably mostly be running around here or something. Okay. And then you got up and down on it. It's nearly all the way up there. It goes up. That's all the way up. And then you got this tilt here. It tilts an awful lot. So it runs all the way around. All the way down that way, and that goes down this way, the other way. So it's almost like new. It's in really good shape. You know, welding splatter anywhere. That's all the way that way. So when it's all the way up, there's a little bit past parallel here. And then we'll take it down. It goes down really low to the floor. You go all the way. Do both at the same time. I'm going to want to have it down by the floor like this. Takes up the least room. That's where it's all the way down there. So I'm going to run the table once more here. It's got a digital control here that's showing the speed of the table here. And you got a little dial on the top here that changes the speed. Okay. It also has another plug-in on here for operating remotely, foot pedals and stuff, or a robot can be plugged into it. This is the ground for the welder right here, and it's wired 440 volts right now. You'd have to get a new inverter on it to change it to 220 volts. Okay.